Okay, this question reads, assume that adults have IQ scores that are normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 20. Find P sub 10, which is the IQ score separating the bottom 10% from the top 90%. And it says to use tables, but we are going to eschew tables. And we're going to use StatCrunch for this one. So I'm going to go to Question Help and click on StatCrunch. So really before we do that, let me show you what I will often do with these. Even if we have technology, I still like drawing these curves out. It helps me think through them. So I'm going to sketch out a quick normal curve. And we have a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 20. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for P10, so this 10% right here, and I want, so that right there is 0.10, and I want this value right here. Okay, I'm already feeling better about myself here on how I can go about this. So let's go ahead and, so remember this picture, and I'm going to flip over here to StatCrunch. Now within StatCrunch, you're going to go to Stat, Calculators, and this is a normal distribution. Now what do we know? We know the mean is 100. Standard deviation is 20. And I want this to be 0.1. And it even shades it for me. We can see the 100. And this is about what I probably expected, somewhere around in the 70s. And it's 74.37. So let's put that in there and click Check Answer. There we go. So I hope that helps. So how can we do the same problem on the T83 or 84? So I'm going to go to Second Distribution. Now if I'm trying to find the probability or the area, the percent under the curve, I go to normal CDF, but I'm actually given that area, right? So I'm going to go to Inverse Norm. Now the area I have is 0.1 to the left. The mean is 100. Standard deviation, change that to 20. Now if your calculator does not have this choice here about the tail, assume it goes to the left. And we get exactly the same answer. What I mean is the older versions here. So second distribution, number 3. I don't even get the little wizard here. So it's going to be the area, 0.1, comma, 100, comma, standard deviation. And I get exactly the same answer.